as I mentioned with mismatched desire, it is the number one cause of couples coming to sex therapy. And it's often one of the leading causes of relationship dissatisfaction. And believe it or not, it's the leading cause for unfaithfulness in a relationship. Now, I want to pause here for a moment to state that most of the research that has been conducted in this area has been with heterosexual, cisgendered individuals. So, if I'm using terminology specific to that demographic, I want you to know it's not to single out anyone or to make certain people not feel included, but it's because that is where the research has been conducted and we can still learn some things from it. Obviously, men and women who are in homosexual relationships also experience mismatched desire. And while many straight men may assume that it is mostly women who are the ones with lower sex drive, research studies show us time and time again that male and female partners equally report of having lower sexual desire than their partner. The difference between the two sexes seems to be in the area in which they experience dissatisfaction caused by the problem. So for women, a higher level of sexual desire discrepancy causes sexual dissatisfaction. So if they have a higher sex drive than their male partner, then they usually complain of being sexually dissatisfied. However, for a man, if he has a higher sexual desire than his female partner, then, or than his male partner, either way, if he has a higher sexual desire than his partner, then it's not sexual dissatisfaction, but relationship dissatisfaction that he complains of. Now, this is very interesting. So for women, where there is a discrepancy, they are dissatisfied sexually. But for a man with a desire that is higher than his partner's, he is dissatisfied with the relationship. This study that I'm referring to was only conducted on short-term relationships, but it still provides us with some insight on the effect that mismatched desire has on a relationship. Other research has been conducted on the effects that mismatched desire has on the individual, and a recent study concludes that it can lead to emotional, behavioral, and cognitive distress for the partner.